Good day everyone, welcome back. I am Olushola. In this video, I want to show you how to make deposits with 86FB. Now, how do we get here? After your registration, you use your username and your password to log in. As you log in, come to this side, you will see Mine. Click on Mine, then it will take you to this page we have now. Now, this is where we'll be making our deposits. We click on this button to make deposit. Let's say we want to withdraw now. We come here to click on withdraw. But here we are talking about deposit here now. Okay, we click on deposit. Now we'll be given two options. The system will ask us either we are depositing with USDT or we are depositing with bank card. I think the network is somehow okay. Let's back and click now. But if you will be using USDT, you will click on USDT, and if you will be using bank card, we click on bank card. As we all see, this is the page now. Here the system is asking us if we want to deposit using USDT or we want to deposit using bank card. But in this video, I'll be explaining how to use bank card. In another video, I'll be talking about using USDT. Okay, now let's click on bank card now. Bank card is for those that want to deposit into 86FB using Naira to trade the soccer. Now, after clicking on bank card, the next page is this. Presently now we are having four options that we can make deposits through. The first one is OPay Digital. But if we select, there is one thing about this OPay Digital service. They didn't accept, you cannot transfer below 200,000. If I click on 100,000 now and I click on confirm recharge, say the amount is too small, you can see. So but if you click on 200,000, then you come here to click on confirm recharge, so it will go. It will not give us the bank account, then the name, the deposit, so we make the deposit. But if you are having less than 200,000, don't bother using OPay Digital service. Now let me move to this one now. The next one, it is shipping. So let me quickly talk about it. Now you click to select, you click the amount. Let me pick 20,000, and the amount, any amount you pick here will show here, or you can type it here. If the amount you want to pay is not among the list here, you can type it here, or if it is above, you can type it here. Now you now move here to click on confirm recharge. Now let's see the next page. Now let's see the next page. Well, let's click. Let's see, still loading. Let's see whether it will work. Okay, maybe there is an issue there. Let's leave that one. Let's move to the next one, crush pay. So select the amount you want to deposit and you click on confirm recharge. So it will take us to the next page after clicking on confirm recharge. Okay, bring us to this side to make payments. So it's still loading. Now we are here now. So here we were given just 5 minutes to make the payments. So our username, your own username will come up here as your cashier name, then the amount we selected here and the order ID here. So we now click on go to payments. Let's click on go to payments. Let's click on go to payments, but make sure you need to do it within. So there is a problem with that payment too, so which means we move to the next one, GMS pay. I select 10,000 for that. Then we click on confirm recharge. So confirm recharge will move us to another page, so where we can now we give us the details. Now from here, now we are given the amounts. This is the amount I selected, 10,000. The beneficiary is here, then the bank name that I will be paying to, and the account. So I can click on copy account here to copy this one to go and make my payments. Now in the narration, we have to note this one. We have to note this one in the narration. So 2LSG. So in the narration of your payments, you include it so that it will be easier for them to confirm it from their side. Then after the payment, we need to upload the screenshots of our receipt. We click here to upload the screenshots. Then the sender name, we enter the sender name here and we click submit. So after submitting, they will now confirm the payment and your account will be credited. But we should not forget, in the narration box while we are making transfer, you should input this. You should copy it there. That will be easier for them to confirm the payment. So now with this now, I think presently now this one is okay to make the transfer, or if you are having 200,000 above, you can also use OPay digital. But presently within the phone now, GMS pay Nigeria is okay, so we can go for that. So within few minutes after the confirmation, the account, your dashboard will be credited. You will see the amount there. It's as simple as that. Now after we have made our payments, in the next video I'll be showing you how to trade the soccer. We'll be doing it together live. Subscribe to my channel